Hi guys, so it is now October, which is one of my favourite months of the year. It is autumn, the weather is finally cooling down, I can bring out the jumpers and the jackets and the boots and it's just so lovely. And also, as we all know, Halloween at the end of the month. Every single year I've been on YouTube, I've really wanted to give Halloween and October a good go, and something always gets in the way of it. But this year I really finally want to give October and Halloween on YouTube a good go, so I'm starting off early straight into October with a little Halloween tutorial, and I did want to start us off a little easy. And basically this video is a Halloween costume without the costume. I personally absolutely hate Halloween costumes, like the store-bought, online bought, whatever, like packet bought costumes. I hate them. They look cheap as fuck, but they're not actually as cheap as you would think. Like, you would look at it and think, oh yeah, I could get that for a tenner, and then it's actually like 30 quid. Like, what? For what? It's absolutely awful material. It's thin, half see-through, shiny, cold. It's cold, and if you're in the UK or any other country that is not hot, like, it's cold in October. It has been raining non-stop this week. So if you're going out somewhere, if you're going out clubbing, or if you're going to a party, like, wherever you are, it's probably going to be cold. I still like being dressed properly on Halloween, so I like wearing normal clothes, like actual clothing from my wardrobe, and turning that into the costume. And that's sort of what this video is. It's more just like what you can add to an outfit that you're like already wearing during the day. So this is actually what I wore to work today. It's just a red knitted jumper, some black jeans, and yeah, this is how I look today. And I'm basically just going to add to this outfit and create a little bit of like a devil, red demon kind of vibe with some makeup and some ears I got like for £2. My local sort of random stuff store. We all have a random stuff store. So yeah, that's basically the premise of this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, give it a thumbs up, let me know if it was useful, let me know what you'd like to see in this October, because I really want to do some cool, you know, some more like sort of complicated things than just what this video is. This video is supposed to be for the, you know, this is to ease us in to Halloween, starting simple, you know what I mean? We can make it right. So I have just applied my base makeup. I'm going to start with my eyes, and we're going to be using the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star, just because it has a ton of red shades. So all you do need is red eyeshadow, maybe some black, big fluffy brush. This one's already been used, and I'm gonna dip into Tongue Pop, which is a sort of deep peachy colour. It's really quite nice. So now with the same brush, I'm going to go into Prick, which is just a bright red eyeshadow here. And I'm just going to take a lot of that onto the brush and blend it in. But in order to keep like this nice soft blend here, which is where I've gone with this colour, I'm not going to bring this colour up as high. We're going to keep that one lower than the edge of this one. So we're going to keep it more around the crease and blend it out that way. So I have just blended out the red all the way up into my temple. So now I am going to get a round blending brush, a smaller one. Let's go with this one by Sugar Pill, and now I'm going to go into Cherry Soda, which is a deeper red, and I'm going to start darkening my crease and my eyelid. We're basically just deepening and darkening the colours as we go down from the eyebrow to the eyelashes. Okay, now I'm going to take a smaller and more compact brush, and we're going to use Intravenous, which is the really dark brown shade up here, and I'm going to put that along my lid near my eyelashes. Okay, so there we have our red smoky eye. You could stop here, put some mascara on and say you're the devil, but we are going to take it to the next step. I'm just going to do some eyeliner using a pencil to tightline my lashes, and then we'll do a bit of a wing. Yeah, you dig that pressure. What's wrong with people can't take it? Okay, so after 20 minutes of trying to make my eyeliner match, I've finally stopped. I still want to add more. Okay, so once you have the most ridiculous eyeliner going, it's time for you to stop and put it down. Okay, so now with that small... Now with that smaller brush, we are going to blend just a little bit on that bottom lash line. Eyes are done, and now we want the lips. Again, obviously have to be red. I'm going to use Velvet Lip Lacquer by MUA Luxe, which was literally like a £5 long-wear matte finish lip lacquer. It's basically a liquid lipstick, and it's great. And this is in shade Reckless, which is bright red. Okay, so you could leave this here, a very glam Satan devil red look. I'm quite liking this. I would turn up to work like this and probably get a few looks. But for the next step, I'm going to take it a little bit more costume makeup-y, because again, you know, we are compensating for the outfit. So I'm basically just gonna, it's really simple, I'm just gonna go over my contouring with some red. So that is the makeup done. This is basically, you know, a sort of low-key devil. You know, like you got the red coming through from the top of your head, and the, you know, there's just like this devilish glow. Because I'm honestly not going to sit here on Halloween and paint my entire face red with face paint, because I just don't really want to do that to myself. Okay, so to complete this look, I have bought some little devil horns. They're £2.59 for the devil horns and this weird mask. Here are the devil horns. You can buy these from Primark, you can buy these on eBay. But most shops will have a little Halloween section and will have either some cat ears or some devil horns or a witch hat, and you can basically do the same thing for either of those. You just need one little accessory to make it obvious as to what you're trying to be. Whoops, just knocking things over. Just jazz the rest up with some makeup. So let's put on my little, and there we go. How do I look? Do I look like a devil? Because I hope so. I like this. Do you guys like it? Because I quite like it. I don't know why I'm like sliding off my bed. Like why? I don't know. So to finish this look for going out, I would add some bright red shoes. These are the ones I have chosen. This is what I would put with them. Get them on your footsies. My cat is looking at me like, what the fuck have you done with my owner? It's me. She's literally just staring at me like this. Like moving her eyes between the two horns. She's not impressed with this whatsoever. Shoes are on. I like these shoes. And this is the outfit. This is the outfit, guys. I actually, this turned out a lot better than I'd hoped, and I haven't filmed in a while. I get anxious about filming. I get anxious about anything I do because I feel like if it turns out shit, then I would have just wasted my time. So I don't like doing things that I worry might turn out shit, because then I just don't want to do it at all. But I pushed myself and I finally managed to get around to filming something, and this is the outcome. What do you guys think? I love it, personally. Oh, she's purring. Hey, hey, hey. Ow. Over here. Hey. Hello. Hi. Do you like my outfit? No, I don't think she does. Okay, thank you for watching. I shall see you on my next video. Things are going to get very spooky this month. I'm excited. Bye!